Hello and welcome to a new video. I am Ashish Abraham and these here right under me are the two beauties from the house of Honda, Honda Highness CB350. Well, it's definitely going to be a game changer because it's going to give a tough competition to many bikes like the likes of RE and Java. Well, I'll take you on a small walk around and tell you more about these bikes. So let's go. That roaring meaty exhaust note is from a brand new 348cc single cylinder engine of the all new Honda offering in its classic CB segment. Stay tuned to know more about the engine and why this bike could strongly rival the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Meteor 350, Benelli Imperiale 400, Java 42 and Java Classic. Honda Two Wheelers India has just timed it right in line with the approaching festive season by launching the all-new Highness CB350 at a starting price of Rs 1.85 lakh ex-showroom. Online bookings are on and deliveries will begin from 20th October on first-come first-served basis. There are two variants, DLX and DLX Pro. The Pro version gets Bluetooth connection, dual-tone shades and chrome-plated dual horn amplifies the premium look. The majestic Highness CB350 is the Japanese brand's first modern classic motorcycle for the Indian market. A mix of advanced new features with a retro charm, taking forward the legacy of CB brand. Talking of the modern classic design, aesthetics and features, it sports stylish round retro modern headlight, large dual-tone 15-litre fuel tank with bold Honda logo. The Y-shaped alloy wheels come as standard and adds a modern look. Wide 19-inch front tire and 18-inch rear tire for better stability in different road conditions. Flat and long saddle with superior cushioning makes for a comfortable seating. The seat height is 800 mm. Visually appealing chrome finish from the mudguard to its underbelly. The retro-modern Highness CB350 motorcycle features advanced fixtures like all-LED lighting, segment-first exclusively designed full LED headlamp and tail lamp with ring-type winkers add to the style quotient. It boasts of segment-first advanced digital analog speedometer. It presents details like HSTC, ABS, side stand indicator with engine inhibitor, eco indicator, HSVCS, gear position indicator and battery voltage meter. Adding more to the whole riding experience are fuel efficiency details displayed in 3 modes: real-time mileage, average mileage and distance to empty. There's a toggle switch to browse and select from the multiple modes. The DLX Pro gets segment-first Honda Smartphone Voice Control System HSVCS. It allows to connect your smartphone with the motorcycle via Bluetooth through HSVCS app and toggle between the features such as navigation, music playback, phone calls, incoming messages and weather updates using buttons on the left side of the handlebar. The information accessed will be communicated from the helmet headset. The HSVCS app will be live by mid-October for Android users as of now. It also comes with segment-first engine start-stop switch and hazard switch feature. Onto the engine specs, at the heart of Highness CB350 is a newly developed 348cc 4-stroke OHC single-cylinder air-cooled engine equipped with PGM-FI technology. It produces 21 horsepower at 5,500 rpm and peak torque of 30 Nm at 3,000 rpm for strong low and mid-range performance. The counterbalancer on the cylinder helps in better refinement and rejects vibrations. It's a thoughtful addition as per Honda's quality standards, giving the Highness CB350 an advantage over the market leader RE Classic 350. It gets a 6-speed gearbox with a segment-first assist and slipper clutch. Thanks to a long muffler, despite the BS6 norms, it delivers a good punchy exhaust note. The specially designed exhaust system has a large 45 mm tailpipe that balances with the muffler capacity, producing a thumpy roar on twisting the throttle. Exhaust pipes are double-skinned to prevent heat discoloration and intact the visual appeal for long. Another segment-first feature, Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), helps in avoiding the rear wheel slip. It can be switched on or off through a switch on the left side of meter. A T indicator in the digital display flickers when the system is engaging. In terms of the suspension, The Highness CB350 is built on a half-duplex cradle frame in steel pipe, which is used for a soft steering feel. It is suspended on telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the back. The newly developed chassis is designed for easy handling and the bike weighs 181 kgs. Dual-channel ABS come as standard fitment. Anchoring the motorcycle is a large 310 mm disc brake up front and 240 mm rear disc and alloy wheels with tubeless tires. The wheelbase is 1441 mm and ground clearance at 166 mm. Both the variants come in a total of 6 shades. The DLX in single-toned options of 2 matte and 1 gloss finish and the DLX Pro in dual-tone options of 2 gloss and 1 matte finish. The DLX Pro is priced at Rs 1.9 lakh ex-showroom. It is a competitively priced, good-looking, feature-packed offering in the 350cc segment. Honda calls it the roar of celebration with the Indian festivities around. Since the virtual unveil on September 30th, the retro classic motorcycle has been welcomed like a majestic king. The Highness is certainly going to be aggressive in the competition. The all-new Honda Cruiser bikes are going to be exclusively sold through Honda Big Wing dealerships, and of course I'm sure these are going to be a game changer, a trailblazer in the Indian market once they are exclusively launched. So let's keep an eye out and see you soon.